Hello all and welcome back to my channel Nails by Kaj. Today I'm gonna show you 5 easiest design which you can do it from your home. For the first design I'm gonna apply nail paint to the half cross of my nails. I'm using a strapping tape. You can use a normal tape. Now I'm putting dots with the help of dotting tool on my nails. You can use a bobby pin if you have. I'm using 2 colors to just give a little heart shape effect on my nails. Now I'm just slightly pulling down the dots using the thinner brush. You can use a toothpick also if you have. For second design I'm using a dark pink shade and again painting half of my nail. For this design I am using a big dotting tool to give a diamond shape using 4 dots. And using smaller dotting tool for the sides of my nails. And now I am using yellow color for the center of the diamonds. This will give a good effect for all 3 diamonds. For the third design, I am using 2 shades and putting dots like half moon. You can even use 3 shades to give a good effect. I have used dark blue and sky blue paint for this design. Now I am slightly drawing a line between these dots. I am using this tool. You can use a toothpick as well. For the fourth design, I am using sky blue paint and giving 2 coats. Now I am gonna use white paint and a dotting tool to make a flower. You just have to put 5 dots in a circular way to get the flower effect. You can put as many flowers as you can. For the center of the flower, I am using a yellow pen to give it a nice effect. And your flowers are done. For the fifth design, I am again doing the same process, making a flower using a dotting tool. But this time, I am using 2 different shades and making a flower a little larger and bigger one. I have used red shade for the outer dot and a white shade for the center one. I'm using a thinner brush to pull the dots in the outer side. This will give a good petal effect to your flower. Now I'm covering the white part with the blue shade and you are done. Set your nails with a top coat just to give a good shiny effect to your nails. You can even use a glitter based top coat if you want more shining and glitters on your nails. And your nails are ready to flaunt. Thank you for watching. Stay home, stay safe.